this thing on the freeway. It was really sketchy looking. You know how we'd be dodging cops. Alright, so here I am inspecting the engine. Let's go. Some stuff I've done so far. I had to check the math. Obviously, you always do that first, see how the engine is breathing and stuff. So then I'm checking sparks today, and I'm gonna say it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, I'm satisfied with that. If I can focus, you can see there. And then I had to change this filter. Just put it on. It's an ugly ass thing that they did over here. I don't know how these guys do this. So it's sport cars. We were fixing it anyway, so. And other than that, I mean, good news so far. YouTube, so this is a 88 50. It was hit on this side actually. And the guy decided to sell it, so I bought it. But it's a T5 on it, and then the 50. Just for that, and the drivetrain, I'm gonna be putting this on a 4-cylinder notch that I got. So it's gonna be a big project. I'm gonna try to record everything as much as I can on this swap. It might help somebody. But anyways, on this thing, I drove from LA 1 hour down here to near Santa Clarita, so California. I mostly started on the whole interior already. I took a bunch of parts already, panels and stuff, and then rear seats, they're gonna go for sale. But look at this thing. I don't know. There it is. So big project, but I'm selling everything. Most of the stuff out here, it's already ads for, so we'll see what happens. So I'm on the right side now. This is the first one to come out, and to be honest, it looks pretty good to me. So more good news. So I have the carpet off all the way. I was searching through here, this area, and I found this baggie of cocaine. Here it is. I'll show a clip of it. Yeah, it's crazy, right?